Hey guys, it's True Cubing, and in this video I just wanted to give a quick overview of how I set up my main 3x3, which is the Gan XS. Now, although the title says how I set up my cube, the reality is I don't really know how to set it up. I mean, I've watched a few videos of what other people have done, and I'll see what I can do. But yeah, this is going to be a learning process just as much as for me as for you. So I hope you enjoy. So first I'm just going to open these center caps and show you what I've got inside here. Oh, these caps are always really hard to take off. Anyway, so I've got these center springs on like the light blue setting, as you can see here, and on the third click down. Let me get out my tool. So yeah, there are two colors. I think these blue things change how tight it is and how much corner cutting there is. So I have it on the light blue, and I think it's on the third number there. Actually, I can check in this pamphlet. So yeah, for the centerpiece travel control, I have it on the third setting on light blue. I think that's blue here. And that basically gives me more corner cutting than anti-corner twist and anti-pop. So sort of average setting. And then for the tension, yeah, I have it on the third click down, as you can see here. And finally, for the magnets, I have it on the... Do I have it on the mediums? No, I have it on the strong settings. I'm actually confused. I feel like... Yeah, no, it's on the strongest setting. Just one of these magnets was on the medium strength. That's a bit weird. I better check all of them now. So as you can see on the pamphlet, I have it on the outer setting, which is the stronger one. As I'm quite used to the Gan SM before I got this XS, so I guess I'm sort of used to strong magnets. So yeah, I think I'm on the third click down. And just see, so 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's how much I'm on, and it gives decent elasticity, decent corner cutting, not the best though, a bit locky, and corner twisting isn't such a big problem, but yeah, it's a pretty average setting. I think Felix Zendig's has it on the 4th click down, and the same blue setting. I'm not sure if he has it on 1 or 3, probably 3. But yeah, that's just something I read. So those are the inner settings. Now I'm mainly going to be focusing on lubing the cube because that's what I need to do today. I'm pretty happy with my cube setup, so I just need to add some lube and things like that. So let me just put this away. By the way, this box always seems like it's like got too much stuff in here. Gan sometimes does overload these boxes. Okay, so now we're gonna take the cube apart. I have quite a bit of dirt in here and stuff, so yeah. Okay, there we go, it's disassembled. So now what I'm going to do, as you can see I have this cloth here, I'm going to wipe off every piece to get all the plastic residue off. Yeah, here you can see it's quite a bit of dirt and stuff, leftover lube. So let's go ahead and dry this off and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, yeah, it's already starting to get quite dirty, so okay, there we go, I've done all the pieces. Now I'm just going to clean out this core. Okay, there we go, I've cleaned out my cube. There was quite a bit of residue. And also a bit of hair in the core, which was a bit annoying, but that's out, so all good. I'm probably going to reassemble this cube now and then apply my final lubes. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this cube with the top layer disassembled for now and get out my box of lubes. Now, it does look like a chocolate box, but it's got lots of lubes inside, as you can see. So, got lots of different types. I don't know, I've got Traxxas, Silk, D&M, this Chi empty Maru bottle, some magic stuff, okay, and then some weight 5 silicone and that syringe. So I've heard a lot of people use like this Gravitas or Armstrong in their like core and like tracks, but I don't really have that, so I'm probably gonna put something more heavy. I think I might put a bit of weight 5. I don't know how heavy that will be. This is 30k Traxxas. I might put that. I don't want too gummy. I like my cubes sort of fast. Whoops. So I think I'm gonna put this on the tracks, and then yeah, lots of people use Silk, so I'm probably gonna put that in. And of course, D&M makes the cube really fast, so I'll probably put these two as well. So I'll just take this lid off. Jeez, it's always hard to open. There we go. And put this lid on. There we go. So I'm gonna put a bit of 30k weight in the core around the tracks here. So see how that goes. Okay, I'm gonna take an edge now and put a bit of Traxxas around this track as well. And put that in the cube. I probably should have reassembled it, but should be alright. Okay, put that in. I could put some around a corner. Nah, doesn't really touch that much. Okay, I'll put the rest of nearly the whole rest of the edges in. Okay, there we go. We're just left with 2 pieces. So I'm just gonna put this Traxxas away. Okay, actually I might as well reassemble the whole cube and start mixing it in. Why is this so hard? There you go. I remember when I was younger, I used to think that Gan cubes could only use Gan lubricant, because on the instructions it said you should lube your cube like often if you like use it a lot, and you should only use Gan cubes, otherwise you can damage your cube. And then it also said if you want to use other lubricants, you need to clean it out, and obviously yeah, I didn't really know much about it, so I thought I had to get this Gan lubricant, but I never did. Can't remember why. I just got Traxxas 30k when I learned that the lube could be like anything really. Anyway, I'm gonna take a few pieces out now again, and then put some silk on the pieces. Okay, let's put this on the sides, just sort of all around this honeycomb design and on the sides. There we go. Let's put this back in. Hate doing this, you get lube all over your hands. There we go. Break that in. Okay, getting a bit greasy right now. Feeling pretty smooth with that silk. To be honest, I actually like this speed. I don't know how much Traxxas are gonna speed it up. Not Traxxas, D&M. Okay, let's do a quick solve. Let's put some D&M now. Maybe 1, 2 drops. Maybe a third somewhere else, like here. Don't want to speed it up too much. Okay, so I'm back. My camera did just die, but I basically just added a bit more silk because it was a bit fast and uncontrollable, but now it's pretty stable and smooth. So I'm just going to do a quick AO5 and see what times I get, and that's going to be pretty much it for the video. Enjoy. Oh my god. What is this scramble? Massive block. for F12. Oh my god, I screwed that. And that V-perm at the end. I recently just learned the new V-perm, so used it, but it wasn't as fluid as normal. Okay, well, some are pretty consistent. Only 10 so far. Okay, that wasn't that good. Okay, so that's about it. 10.85 A5, that's very good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Did learn quite a few things, hopefully. That also may help you out if you own a Gan XS. But you can do this to any other cube, just put like some heavyweight in the core, and then you put silk and D&M on the outside. That's a very popular mix. And some people put like angstrom, like gravitas and stuff in the screws and springs as well to stop like spring noise. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.